Start by opening the Sketches School app. It's white with a blue marker pen pointing downward. Open up your folder. As you could see, I've already been working on this project. Choose the white page with the plus sign. Now go to the top three dots and choose the center icon, which looks like two triangles, and you'll see a line of symmetry show up. I've chosen the fourth pen down. It's got a brush tip. I've got the largest point chosen, and I've got this darkish tan color. I'm starting on the line of symmetry. I'm using my finger. I'm going out, down, and into the line of symmetry. I'm creating a rectangular frame, but I'm only drawing on the right side because I'm a righty from the line of symmetry out, down, and in again. You don't have to go around that many times, but I want you to be able to see what I'm doing. I'm setting up a frame in which I'm going to place my self-portrait. I took my self-portrait with the iPad on the camera app. So now I'm going to find it. I touch the three dots at the top, and now just to the right of those triangles, there's a rectangle with an arrow pointing down. When I touch that, I have the choice of camera, photo, or files. I'm going to choose photo because I already took the photo. Here it is in my selfies. Choose that one. And now I can size it to fit within my frame. There we go. And now down at the bottom, I'll click the check mark, and now I've got a photo inside a frame. But now I want it to look more like a Frida Kahlo frame. So we're going to do flowers, we're going to do birds, but you only have to draw on one side. And again, since I'm right-handed, I'm going to draw on the right side only, the right side of the line of symmetry. I've chosen the roller tool. It actually fills in shapes as you're drawing them, and I'm going to use that to draw my parrot. I'll start with a color for the beak, and I'm going to have the parrot right up here so you'll be able to see. When I draw a triangular beak, I get a dotted line. When I let go, it fills in with that orange color that I chose. Now I'll choose black. I just want a basic black here down at the bottom. The next part of the parrot is the head. Just draw the whole shape. It fills in. I'm going to choose yellow now for this wing. It's not perfect, but for the demonstration I have in mind, it's working out well. A slightly different color for the tail feathers. And I think that's good, although I should have a red front body here. So you can't just draw a line. You have to come around and finish the shape, and then when you let go, it fills in. Now I could do the same sort of thing for the flowers. Lots of flowers in the Frida Kahlo. If I draw a circle on the right, it shows up on the left. I'll put another circle over here. I'm going to repeat the same flower, and the symmetry just happens. Whatever you draw on the right comes up, on the left. If something happens that you didn't mean for, the roller tool filled in everything. Remember, you have that undo arrow up at the top. No big deal. If I change the color, maybe I'll do some purple petals. I'm still on the filler tool. Remember to finish each shape. If I just draw a U, maybe it does fill in. I guess it understands that it's going to be a shape. Wow, these are some big petals. It's kind of obliterating my forehead there, but that's fine. The Frida Kahlo frame does sort of come in to almost touch her. If I draw half of a flower center, maybe I can effectively, I'll change this petal color a little bit so it stands out. Can I overlap? Sure I can. Don't get rid of myself altogether. Keep going. So I'm really just using this filler tool, but you have all these other tools also. Keep it on the symmetry application, because then whatever you do on one side comes out on the other side. You can have a lot of fun with that, but you could definitely experiment with the other tools. And remember, if you don't like something that you tried out, I could put a little flower here. I do like it. If I don't like it though, I always have that undo arrow. And eventually I'm going to be able to click the up arrow, make sure I save my image. Okay, and there is my Frida Kahlo frame. Could use some more detail, but it is symmetrical. It is my self-portrait, and it's full of flowers with a parrot. Have fun.